How to turn off sound effect in Rise of Kingdom. Maybe the battle sound or background effects are too loud on Rise of Kingdoms and you want to adjust or mute the sound, then the process is quite easy. Launch open Rise of Kingdoms app on your device and log in. Once you're inside the main city map page, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu, click on Settings at the bottom right, and inside Settings, tap on General Settings from the top of the screen. Now, go to the left hand side and tap on this sound icon, and from here you can adjust your volume for the game. To adjust your SFX volume, drag the slider underneath SFX. If you want to turn off the entire volume for the game, go ahead and drag the slider all the way towards the left. Then you can also adjust your chat volume, your mic volume, and then your music volume. If you turn all of these buttons, you'll not hear any kind of a sound effect in the game. If you want to keep some of the sounds enabled and some of them disabled, then you can simply drag the slider and select the volume according to your preferences. From here, you can adjust your volume for the game. You can adjust SFX volume, music volume, chat volume, mic volume from the same page. If you want to turn off all of the music also, that's okay. Simply go ahead and mute them, and that is it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.